Hi guys, so today we will be swatching the Pink Flash Matte Liquid Lipsticks and it claims to be long-lasting, moisturizing, and waterproof. So here we have the shade NO6 Milkshake. Ayan. Pansin ko lang dito sa mga lipsticks na to, they look way better once it dries out. Pero this shade, I think it will look better pag mas lighter sa akin. Next, we have the O04 Orange Soda. I think this is the perfect MLBB for us morenas, lalo na with a deeper tone. The only problem I had with this one is yung application niya sa outer part ng lipstick ko. Pero ma-workout naman niya ng another layer. But would I still buy it? Yes, kasi ang ganda nung shade talaga niya sa morena. Next, we have the R04 Cranberry Jam. Ang ganda nito, para siyang yung sinuot ni Rihanna nung Super Bowl. And I've been eyeing to buy a cheaper version and this is the best alternative. And last, we have the shade R03 which is on Mode. Medyo natakot ako nung una kasi upon application parang antingkad niya. Pero watch nyo as it dries out, nagiging wearable yung color niya. Kaya kung naghahanap pa kayo ng lipstick para sa inyong next date night, I think this is the perfect shade kasi tingnan nyo naman, ang lakas niya makasyala. So lastly, we are just doing an ombre effect. Ayan, we're just using the first two lighter shades which is the N06 and O04. Dahil wala lang, gusto ko lang makita yung combination ng N06 tsaka ng O04. Then later on, lalagyan natin siya ng R04 which is the Cranberry Jam sa bandang loob to make that ombre effect. So ayan na nga. And kita nyo naman mga sis, lalo siyang gumaganda habang natutuyo talaga siya. So ano pang hinihintay nyo mga sis, sa halagang 159 may tatlo ka ng lipstick. So here's our final look. Click the links in the description box. Bye!